So there's a lot of videos out there that show you how to sharpen chain on a saw, but nobody really talks about how to identify the starting and stopping point on the chain. So this is a little, call it what you want, but what I do is I just use fingernail polish. So just raise your wife's fingernail drawer. Don't tell her what she don't know won't hurt her. Grab a little fingernail polish. Something, bright. I use pink. Grab that and mark your chain. Bam. Now you got a perfect starting point. So you know, as you sharpen the chain, you know where to stop and flip over and start the other side. So that's a little hack there that you might enjoy. Simple, easy. Don't tell your wife.